Hi friends, iTech here. In today's video, we will be doing a quick unboxing and review of Facebook's Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. Let's not waste time and let's get started. Facebook recently announced its virtual reality headset Oculus Quest 2, a lighter, more powerful headset which aims to put Facebook Oculus on top in the VR market. I have with me today a 64GB version which cost me around $299 US with a slightly lower price tag compared to last year's Quest. The box is also a tad smaller, but its smaller volume allows it to serve as a nice storage case. There is a few exclusive games or enhanced games coming to Quest 2 and you can see those on back of the box. Here is everything that comes in the Oculus Quest 2's box. Inside you will see all goodies nested in their own small compartments. Again, it feels slightly less luxurious than its competitors. You will find a small box behind the headset and inside that you will see a warranty and instruction pamphlets. There is a USB-C cable compatible wall plug. I found the included cable is very short. Also in the box are the two new look touch controllers. Comes with the batteries to let you get started straight away. These controllers are a lot bigger and slightly heavier than the touch controllers included with the Rift S. In return, you are getting a longer battery life and an improved haptics. Talking about the headset, it is lighter than the original Quest, weighing 503 grams compared to the original model's 571 grams. Quest 2 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chip and comes with a 6GB RAM. Alongside the XR2 processor, one of the Oculus Quest 2's major feature is the new display, providing what Facebook calls an almost 4K display. Comes packed with a single LCD screen providing an 1832 by 1920 per eye resolution. It is a 50% boost over its original Quest per eye resolution. You also won't be getting a better head strap as that comes separately in form of an Elite strap. This is probably the biggest criticism of the Quest 2 so far. Oculus Quest 2 will cost you $299 US for a 64GB of storage and $399 for 256GB. Both models comes equipped with 6GB of RAM. Here are some of the pros and cons about the Oculus Quest 2. The pros are the super resolution, improved graphics, great price, a single AA battery goes a long way and an easy installation setup. The cons are the mandatory Facebook login and the strap requires a lot of fiddling to sit correctly. All in all, the unboxing experience for the Quest 2 is pretty nice. Friends, what is your opinion about the Quest 2? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.